Can salt air damage HVAC equipment? Yes, salt air can corrode HVAC parts, lower efficiency, and shorten the life of the system. Salt air is full of tiny salt particles that travel on the wind, and when those particles land on your outdoor unit, they can stick to the metal like a thin, wet film. That film pulls in moisture from the air, and moisture plus salt acts like a tiny helper for rust and corrosion. The parts most at risk are the coils, cabinet panels, screws, and electrical connections, because salt can slowly eat away at them even if the machine still seems to run. This matters a lot near the ocean, but it can also happen farther inland if salty air moves through the area. One thing people often do not know is that even a unit that looks clean can still have salt buildup inside the fins and on hidden metal edges. A good habit is to rinse the outdoor unit gently with fresh water. Keep plants and sprinklers away from it and have a technician check it more often than usual. If you live in a coastal area, choosing a unit with a protective coating can make a big difference and help it last longer. Regular care is not just about keeping it pretty, because it can help the system use less energy and avoid costly repairs. A common mistake is thinking salt damage only happens right next to the beach, when wind can carry salt much farther than people expect. A simple fix is to inspect the unit after windy days and storms, especially if your windows or cars nearby collect salty dust. Another mistake is ignoring small signs like rust spots, weak cooling, or higher electric bills, because those can be early warnings that corrosion has started. A quick tip is to schedule service before the cooling season instead of waiting for a breakdown. People also forget that spraying harsh cleaners on the unit can make things worse by damaging protective coatings, so use only what the manufacturer recommends. If you are not sure, ask a technician to check the coil and electrical parts before the damage spreads. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.